So now we're in the shaken slash stir voice registration. This one is just to register the fact that your caller ID is indeed coming from the name of the business that you put into 360. Just pretty much making sure that it definitely is legit. So we're going to click on start registration. Going to enter in the friendly name. Says a unique name. So I'm going to put in what I put in before. Actually, let's just go ahead and put in the full name since there is no character limit. And then we're going to check the box to certify that the associated business profile is the originator of the phone calls and certify that I will participate in traceback efforts, including those initiated by the Secure Telephony Identity Police Administrators and the U.S. Telecom Traceback Group. So we're going to hit submit. All right. And then we have our information here. And this one will be in review. So after a couple of minutes and refreshing the screen, the shake and stir voice was verified.